Hello students, I am Dr. Kshitija Gandhi. In this video, I will explain you the term profit volume ratio. What is a profit volume ratio? As the name indicates, it's a ratio of profit and sales volume. For calculating PV ratio, we consider gross profit, that is contribution divided by sales volume. This ratio is important for computation of profitability. This ratio is the measurement of rate of change of profit due to change in volume of sales. As the volume of sales increases, PV ratio also increases. Variable cost is very important in deciding profitability, as we consider contribution, which can be calculated by sales minus variable cost. If there is a reduction in variable cost, contribution will increase and resultant impact will be on PV ratio. When PV ratio is high, it indicates high profit margin. When PV ratio is low, it shows low profit margin. This is imaginary example. We can see ABC Limited has a 25% PV ratio, PQR Limited has 15% PV ratio, XYZ Limited has 20% PV ratio. ABC Limited has maximum PV ratio, which reflects higher profitability. PQR Limited has a minimum PV ratio, which states the lower profitability. Formula for calculation PV ratio is contribution divided by sales into 100. If the PQR Limited company wants to increase the profitability, they can increase PV ratio by increasing selling price, by increasing sales turnover, or by reducing variable cost. Very important note, increase or decrease in fixed cost does not have impact on PV ratio. We have taken certain conditions to check the impact on PV ratio. If product has a selling price rupees 20, variable cost is 10, contribution will be rupees 10, PV ratio will be 50%. This is the original condition. If the company increases selling price up to rupees 25, variable cost remains same, that is rupees 10, contribution will be rupees 15, and PV ratio will be 60%. You can see as increase in selling price results increase in PV ratio. In the second condition, selling price remains same or constant, which is rupees 20. Variable cost is increased by rupees 5, that is rupees 15. Contribution will be rupees 5. PV ratio will be 25%. So increase in variable cost results in decrease in PV ratio. Now, very important question, where the PV ratio is applied. Ascertaining BEP, that is break even point, and margin of safety. For ascertaining the variable cost for any volume of sales. For ascertaining profit for a particular volume of sales. For ascertaining the volume of sales for a desired profit. For ascertaining sales mix in order to earn minimum profit. For fixing the selling price, and for selecting the most profitable line of products, particularly when there is a no key factor. So these are the certain applications of PV ratio. Thank you, students.